Aloha guys, this is Aaron from Hawaii Music School, and today's lick of the day was on a baritone ukulele. So as you know, the baritone is tuned DGBE, and it's kind of like the bottom four strings of a classical guitar because it has nylon strings and it actually has the same string spacing depending on the brand of ukulele you have. Now, the lick I did was a descending pentatonic lick, and I'm going to teach you guys how to play it today. Okay, so here's what the lick sounded like. Okay, now how we played that was by taking our fingers on the 6th, 5th, and 3rd fret of the first string. So I'm using my pinky, my ring, and my first finger. And I'm doing a pull-off. So I'm pulling off, I pick on the 6, pull off to 5, pull off to 3, pull off open. Okay? The first part. Now I'm going to take my 3rd finger and put it on the 5th fret of the 2nd string, and then 1st finger goes on the 3rd fret of the 1st string. Then I pull off. Now I'm going to go on to the 5th fret and then open 1st string, so that the whole thing sounds like this. Then I play an open 2nd string, and then I do a pull-off where I go 5, 4, 3, open. Next string is the same thing, but a fret back. So 4, 3, 2, open. Then I slide from 5 to 6 with my pinky on the 4th string, and then I pick the 2nd fret. Okay, so the whole thing goes. So work on that, and use the fingers that I use now. Keep in mind, I kind of keep my hand in a line like this. So I divide the 4 frets into my 4 fingers. So when I'm pulling off, and what I do is I go back a half step. So I shift the whole thing. Okay, so because that would be there, yeah? And so use the right fingers. It'll make the lick a lot easier to play. And what you want to make sure you do is when you're pulling off, you don't want to like get too anxious with it and pull off too quickly. You want to go kind of slowly with it so that you can get the articulation right. But good luck with the lick and have fun with it. And that's today's lick of the day, and it's on a baritone ukulele. Alright, so as usual, if you like this video, go ahead and hit that like button below. And if you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. Also, if you want to see more lessons like this, check out my website, hawaiimusicschool.com, where we have a 2-week free trial membership right now. So check it out, guys. We'll see you around. Aloha.